Afternoon, people. Finally, the gasket's arrived that's been holding us up. So we've just had a good clean up of the actual seal all around here. Cleaned it, cut it off with a razor blade, bit of wool, cleaned it all up. Tried not to make any grooves in it. We didn't. It's all nice and clean. Bit of a job, really. So we're just currently installing the clutch plates. The clutch plates go in. I think this is the way I've seen them doing it. You put one in first, then a ring, one in next, a ring, one in next, a ring, and so on until you build it all up. And then if you watch how I'm doing this, the last one goes in slightly different. So people say the sharp side facing down, facing in. So that's in. Then we've got a ring here that's been soaking for 24 hours in the transmission oil. So we're going to put that in, like so. Then we put another ring in, and then the last one that goes in actually goes slightly different. It goes in like that in a different position. Don't ask me why, I really don't know. Now, I did have a bit of a concern about this because there's less rings than what came out, but they're assuring me it's the right part for the bike, so fingers crossed it works. If not, we've wasted 13 quid and a lot of time. So I'm not too sure how to test it, but I'm going to start putting it all back together now. So we've got the face plate here. We're just going to give that a clean, bit of a wipe over. A few dog hairs on it, they get everywhere, you know that. Give it a nice bit of. Oh, we dropped the bearing. So the thrust, this is actually a thrust bearing. Check, that's got no wear in it at all. I wouldn't expect it on a 3,000 mile bike, but that just pops straight in there, like so. That just presses in, sits inside there, nice and tight. And then this cover goes on. That's the pin. I don't know how that works. Like I say, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not saying I'm any sort of expert, but yeah, so that's it now. We just need to put the new springs in, which right here, clutch spring set from EBC Brakes, quality gear, 15% stronger than the original. So let's get them in and then we'll put the bolts in. Brand new springs going in. So there's a few in here. There's more than what I need. There's 6. Don't know why there's 6. Got a couple spare. Couple spare springs. There you go. So they've gone in nicely. Got a couple of spare there. So we'll put them away in our stores. And then just to get the bolts in. Put the 4 bolts in, like so. So it's going back together how I took it apart. I wasn't too sure. I should have photographed it before I took it apart, but you know how it is. You're eager to get things done. So these are 8mm bolts. None of that. They're at 8mm. I think they're. Is that a 13? It's a 12. Is it a 12? I had a 10mm bolts. So the 10s. So we're just going to tighten this up. It does say to equally tighten them up, equally. So if you just want to get a close up of that and tightening it. And here's the end result.
The video though, so I'll just start a new one.
Start again. Ready? 2, 3. We have a clutch.
Go on then again.
So thanks people for watching that clutch rebuild. What I forgot to mention there is that we actually got the shocker installed, the new one from Hagon. That's gone down really well. Difficult to fit, a lot of backwards and forwards with different tools and stuff, but we got it fitted in the end and the result is great. The bike feels great. We're going to get on with the brakes today. Just ordered the tyres. I've ordered some Michelin off-road tyres, on-road off-road tyres that I'm hoping are going to be fine for the MOT. Yeah, so watch this space. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra, over and out.